G'day people, Alex from Paperform here, and today I really want to show off Paperform's brand new analytics dashboard. So let's jump in and take a look at the changes our team have worked so hard to implement. The new analytics dashboard is a supported feature for our pro and agency users respectively. With it, we get a detailed insight into not only how people submit your forms, but also how they interact with them. The analytics dashboard introduces custom graphs and filters, so it's easier to interpret responses, identify patterns, and compare your forms across different time periods. Now, to get to the analytics dashboard for a specific form is a piece of cake. We'll firstly need to find a form and head to the submission dashboard of it. I'm currently on my Paperform dashboard, so let's take a look at my mobile repairs form. It's quite a simple form. I asked my submitters to provide information such as the make and model of their phone device, as well as the issue and some contact information. All right, to get to the analytics dashboard for this specific form, we can click on the cover image. This will open up a drop-down menu. From here, I can select submissions. Alternatively, I can click the number we see in the top right corner. This refers to the number of successful submissions that form has received. Clicking this, we're then taken to the submission dashboard. Now all we need to do is click Analytics. Now let us take a look at the functionality of our Analytics dashboard. We'll see that the statistics shown currently fall within a specific time period. And by default, the time period is going to be the last 30 days. If we want to change this, we'll simply click here, and then we can select from one of the default time periods shown on the left. Or we can select custom dates. I'm going to select from the 1st of September until the 1st of October. Then we will see the statistics shown to update. They're going to reflect that selected time period. An overview of those statistics are shown here, and it will tell us the number of views as well as unique viewers, the amount of people that started submitting the form, as well as the number of those that successfully completed the form, and the completion rate. Below that, we will see a graph that visualizes this data. By default, it's set up to show the submissions you've received each day, but you can filter that to get whatever matters to you most. To do so, we'll click the submissions button and then select the statistic that we would like to see. Let's select views. And of course, we can adjust the time period from day to display hour, week, month, or even an entire year. And voila, instead of a row in a spreadsheet, we get a custom graph that makes it so much easier to find patterns and interpret those numbers. We not only have the ability to show data that falls within a specific time period, but we can also compare time periods. Let's go up here and we'll select nothing. Just like with that initial time period, we're able to select one of the default times, or we can set a custom date. I'm going to select to compare my original time period of the 1st of September to the 1st of October. Let's compare that to the 1st of October to the 1st of November. And boom, we'll now see two colors on our graph. The blue refers to that initially selected time period, and the green will refer to the time period we want to compare it to. Another cool feature I want to share with you guys is the ability to filter by device type. Now, let's say I was wondering whether I should leave my form in guided mode, which is more suited to mobile devices, or if I should revert it to standard mode, which is better suited to desktop devices. I could head up here and filter it by mobile devices. I'll find out which device my users prefer and then change my form accordingly. Now, if we scroll below that initial graph, we can see smaller graphs visualizing our overview statistics. If we continue to scroll down, we're going to find another exciting feature, drop-off questions. If your form has received partial submissions, where your submitter begun to submit the form, but did not successfully complete it, in this section, it will reveal which questions your respondents left the form on, providing an awesome insight into your form's performance. Now, if you ever want to export your analytics into a CSV file, perhaps you'd like to look at your analytic data on a spreadsheet, head up to the top right and click Export CSV File. You can open this in an Excel sheet, Apple numbers, or even import it into a Google Sheet. Thank you guys, that is all for today. Now, if this has been a helpful video, make sure that you click that subscribe button and the thumbs up. We release weekly videos about Paperform's features and functionality. And you can head over to paperform.co for a 14-day free trial period. It's easy, sign up. Now, leave in the comments below what is your favorite feature about Paperform, and we'll be sure to create some more content about it. Thanks guys, good luck, and happy form making.